Although it's Michigan's smallest state university, LSSU offers a host of academic programs, including their nationally recognized Fisheries and Wildlife Management program. Situated off campus on the St. Mary's River in the heart of the Michigan Upper Peninsula, the Center for Freshwater Research and Education, CFRE, offers LSSU students a unique hands-on learning environment in the study of freshwater science and wildlife.
It has developed on a foundation of our former aquatic research lab, which really began in the late 70s as a hatchery to rear lake whitefish and as a facility to start studying water quality in the St. Mary's River.
The university is building a $14.5 million expansion to replace its successful aquatic research lab. LSSU engaged Spence Brothers, a leading Michigan-based construction contractor, to manage the development of the new CFRE. As part of the development, Trimedia Environmental Engineering's Mara Pliska, the environmental project manager working with LSSU, recommended installing TerraShield, a vapor barrier system developed by Land Science, which will ensure a safe and healthy environment for LSSU's learning community.
We had to balance cost, speed, and effectiveness when deciding on an approach for our vapor intrusion mitigation system. There was an opportunity to possibly prove that we didn't need a system, and that turned out to be probably more costly and involved a lot more time. So installing the TerraShield system was going to be the more cost-effective and efficient option and have all of our options open.
The application of the vapor barrier system, installed by S&H Waterproofing, will span 8,500 square feet to protect against any possible vapor intrusion. TerraShield is proven to offer the highest level of chemical resistance available today, providing orders of magnitude greater protection compared to high-density polyethylene or HDPE systems. Lab tested to withstand contaminants like chlorinated solvents, petroleum hydrocarbons, metals, and more. It's a natural choice for brownfield sites where strict state and local regulatory requirements are in place. The installation of TerraShield also includes TerraVent, a low-profile vent system that can be used in lieu of slotted PVC pipe. The speed of installation and the proximity of the vent to the barrier provide additional cost savings and performance benefits compared to other technologies.
The key factors in choosing TerraShield for our vapor intrusion pathway at the site was going back to our contaminant concern. So TerraShield proves to have the best diffusion coefficient that would correspond to the vapor pressure, and that gives us the security knowing that we are providing the best barrier layer that we can.
In the case of this project, using TerraVent also allows for the option to switch from a passive to an active system.
I like working with Land Science because they bring so much experience to the project. They have experience across the country, different settings, and they've always been a phone call away when questions and issues arise. And my favorite thing has been the support.